to Valencia. Our train leaves in 2 hours and I haven't gotten up.
No, 1 hour.
It leaves in an hour and I need to get up.
How do you He said
I'm up!
with some tangent.
That is so scary. Oh my gosh. I hate when this happens. Look at this. It looks so funny. La. Kyle was probably.
It's muy bien.
You're ugly.
La. Hey, can we take a picture of them? You want me to?
La. You're ugly.
He actually controls the speed. Oh, it's a video.
What is going on?
Hi, welcome back to the Michael Show. I feel as good as I look. So freaking amazing. I actually feel like shit.
What about Tiffany?
I'm chilling.
Where are we?
Valencia.
I'm like, we're in Valencia. And she's like, we're in Valencia.
We are.
I'm excited. Burger, fresh squeezed orange juice, thrifting. That's like the best weekend ever.
Right.
It's so excited. My hair's really bad. Oh, Apple Store. I need to go. Kyle,
I'm waiting.
he's calling you. Woo! Bleep. Run. Oh, dang!
How rude. Oh, estoy amable.
No.
Estoy amable.
Are you only right now?
Todo el tiempo. Grace is getting mad.
Grace lost her earplug, so she wears one.
Does that even help? Kyle. Okay.
No. Yeah. Okay, this has to be another one. We got locked out of the Airbnb and we just got here. Oh, there he comes. Here he is. Yeah. So we went to the store. We bought a lot of
Kyle, come look at this.
to the store and we bought so many groceries and we had to carry them all back and it was horrible because we couldn't feel our arms because we were like holding them. And now to see that, I don't know what it is, but yeah. So now Eduardo's making meat and I'm supposed to try it. I'm gonna try meat for the first time and I'm so scared. The meat is ready. I'm about to die.
Hey, Eduardo, what's about to happen right now with Grace?
Grace is about to have chicken for the first time, actually meat in the first time.
Did you cook this?
I cooked the meat,
Okay.
so I am...
I'm so scared.
You're scared? What do you think it's gonna taste like?
I don't know.
Okay, let's get into that. Let's cut this bite. Okay, I think it's
so proud of her.
perfect. Let's dig into that.
How do I cut this?
Dig it a little harder. No, okay. Use the actual knife. Like a real knife.
Oh, like this.
Okay.
With rice.
There it is.
No, just by itself.
And go.
Oh my god.
Ah!
¿Qué
pasa?
That's pretty good.
Oh shit.
Congratulations! High five! Woo! High five all around. High fives. High fives. High fives. High five. You just killed a chicken, Grace.
I did.
That's so good.
I ain't vegan, virgin, chicken, virgin, meat, virgin anymore. This is so weird.
It's just me on number
Oh,
one.
what's in the glass?
This is why I love
Juice. Oh, say you might have no Jay.
Come on, Twitter.
I know what you're gonna do.
Just eggs and toast.
Oh, is that how we're toasting our bread?
Heck yeah.
Wow.
Toasty.
And all There's more potatoes, but I'm leaving them longer so
Eating some taters.
Get your hands off those potatoes.
Walking around debating whether I should brush my teeth.
Where are you going?
B-U-C.
No.
So cheer not for Valencia.
That's so not right. I feel like that's gonna get you in more trouble.
What?
Wearing that and then cheering for Madrid.
I'll give him a mic. No, this is sick. Oh, gross, gross. Ew.
I'm on my way to the store real quick because Camacho finished all the toilet paper because he's a sicky Mickey. So I'm walking there and I have to pee so bad. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Okay, so stores in Spain have literally no rhyme or reason to the way that they put their freaking stuff, and I can't find the toilet paper anywhere. Got the toilet paper, but I still haven't peed, so I feel like I'm gonna die. Oh my gosh. Yo, I don't think I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be like that. No, 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 no. Let's try this one. Oh my gosh, thank God. Oh my gosh, how do you open this? I got it. Finally. Oh my God. I need to restock my potatoes. So, Tiffany over here used all the hot water. I had to take a cold shower.
I took a half.
I didn't shower at all. I can smell it from here.
Hello. I was showering and then it just suddenly turned cold.
Do you believe it?
Did you bring soap?
Grays is how you spell my name.
Hey, or what if it was spelled Graze? Graze like a cow.
When you have the most, literally, Grace and Belle, those are like the two. What the heck? Look. I lost my
feel like that happens to you a lot.
Ah! Amy, get in the damn shower. Ooh, I almost laid down on the sicky Vicky bed.
So, you want to be fat friends?
Be fat free.
We're going shopping. I have no money, but we're still going shopping. We've been
Condensed milk and vanilla.
We've been thinking of leaving for 10 hours, but then my uterus started acting up. Did you hear that?
Yeah, the opera music?
Yeah.
It calls you, doesn't it?
Yeah, look guys, look what I have. Ah, think of me fondly when we've said, God, I had this for the vegans, it's called Naranja. I'm not vegan anymore.
I'm not even vegetarian anymore. I feel like it's hitting her now. Yeah, she's like, who am I?
I don't know what to do. I'm vegan. Anyways, I got this because I'm vegan. I'm actually vegan, okay? I'm strictly non-strictly vegan. And frick, man. I don't have my own identity anymore. They know my... Literally, look at these two. Look at these two hands. They bring me all the soft things because they know, oh, I'm so broke. Ooh, that's soft too, but they're ugly.
Only 30. Even the slippers are soft. Feel. No, the
Tiffany,
inside.
you're the devil. I need to get out of here.
Wait, do you want like actual earrings or you just want them for the backs?
No, I just want actual earrings.
Okay.
There's children staring at me. Hi, kids. Ooh, that's pretty good. Oh. So, we're at the mall, and then Mother Nature decided to work her wonders. So, I'm on my way back to the apartment, and they're gonna keep shopping, and I'm just gonna lay down for a little bit.
What about the cousins?
The girl cousin's help.
Yeah.
It's the cheesecake prep. He's doing nothing.
I just finished the steak.
How do I do this? I don't even want to touch it. I feel like that's gonna be really chewy. Oh my gosh, I don't know what. It's not. It doesn't smell bad. It smells fine. So chewy.
I'm taking a literature class at the new school and I have to finish it for the first session tomorrow.
It's good, but it's not great. I don't think I'm a steak kind of gal.
I think you need to try it.
I just tried it. I don't like that. I don't know. I didn't know. I don't know how to deal with that. That's weird. I don't know. Oh yeah.
I gotta still work on my potatoes.
I gotta restart my potatoes. The power went out. Oh, it's back on. Everything is
Fuck
okay.
yeah.
Everything's okay. There's Kyle's potatoes. You don't have to. Kyle, we're literally twinning. I wear it better. The power went out again. Oh, it's back on. Here we are. I've been dreaming of us.
This is the right time.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Konnichiwa.
Hola.
So I'm gonna teach Kyle how
Estamos
to make a quesadilla.
Preparando una quesadilla.
You already made one mistake. All right.
I think it's
Is it
quite
warm?
hot. Oh my god, you are a proper Hispanic woman. You
Oh, in the
right.
side.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
And then, wait, cheese.
Good. Perfecto.
Is that perfecto? I made a perfect quesadilla.
Thank you, Grace.
Why are you so pink? Why is everything pink in here?
Because
We got our fruit. We got our vegan ice cream. Where are you going? Get back your stop. that's for me. And
my
you can have
vegan-
it.
okay.
What you got there?
I got a cup of fruit.
Cup-
Oh no.
a cup of fruit.
How you doing, buddy?
Oh my gosh, that looks so good, Amy. Look, Amy.
I'm so tired.
Look.
Hey, Michael says if he has cheesecake, he'll feel better.
No. It's 3 a.m. right now. Why I'm awake? No idea. But I'm doing a face mask, so that's good. It's 11 and we haven't left yet. This house has turned into a house full of sick people. Michael's dying and I'm dying. Kyle is kind of dying. I'm so tired. I have so much homework. Oh my god. What you got there?
Got some quesadillas.
Oh my gosh. Let's go. Time to get back to the dirty goo.
Oh yeah.
It's probably not dirty right now because
And we dirty eating it, right?
do this.
How are you?
I feel as good as I look.
So great.
So great.
We're back. I've been going to sleep now.
Bye bye. Sickies. I don't want. Yeah.
Bye.
Oh great, I'm sick.
That was fun.
Anyone want a quesadilla?
No. No one wants your quesadilla. I'm going to lay down. Oh, hello, little bed. Why'd I leave the door window open? Oh, yeah! Back in my natural habitat.
Luckily, it's heavy enough.
Oh, we're supposed to be doing homework, but we used to be watching. Hi, what's up? I was watching the footage and the thing it says we're supposed to be doing homework, but we're watching and that's it. Yeah, I started feeling like sick and then I went to sleep at 7 p.m. and I woke up today at 4 p.m.
yeah, that was our fun weekend in Valencia. So now I have so much homework and I missed a full day of school, so that's good. Okay, peace out, Girl Scouts. Kill me.